I'm gonna do a quick run around the outside, and then I gotta get to the inside because that's what makes the 2529 RG what it is. I'm really not a huge fan of rear kitchen stuff, but this layout is just perfect. So anyway, I'll run you through it. So right up here in the front, you have electric tongue jack. We're going to put 2 filled propane tanks right there and a battery box with a brand new Interstate battery on it. You can see the molded fiberglass front cap looks awesome. Tons of storage in here, and look how nicely finished off it is. They even double weld the aluminum welds, so on each side it's welded. So many brands, they go cheap and they don't do both sides. These guys do. And then swinging around this side over here, I'm going to show you. So electric stabilizers, 2 motors front, 2 in the back, so you can make this thing sit solid on the ground. It's prepped for a TPMS, which is tire pressure monitor system. It's got a light over here, it's got a light over there, so you can light this puppy up good. Then right here, somebody didn't clean that, it's got sawdust on it, but this is for your 200 watt solar panel on the roof. Now we do go through after these are sold, clean them inside and out. We also make sure everything works before it leaves. Rack and pinion slide out system, so it's the most solid, longest made, best track record slide out system there is. Your dump station's back here. You got cable and satellite hookup, your freshwater hookup, 30 amp, whoa, 50 amp service right there, huh? Boy, we gotta go check that out. 6-gallon DSI water heater, spare tire in the back, hot and cold water shower. I mean, I could talk forever about this. I'm already at the 2-minute mark, but we're gonna get inside there. Ladder to the roof. It's a TPO roof, so it's twice as thick as a rubber roof, so it's gonna last longer, stronger. And then right there, it's a backup camera system prepped. Tire is spare tire on the back right there. Another water spot right here, so you can pump water there too. And then also in the front, your 5-year Goodyear warranty tire, and there's a no excuses for the first year. It means if you run over a curb and blow one, they're going to take care of you anyway. Black tank flush. If you want to watch TV outside, you got hookups. So there's the black tank flush, and that's your portable water. So your water tank, that's what it is. JBL speakers, huge awning with awning lights. All right, let's get inside this puppy. You got storage under the fridge. You got a huge 12-volt fridge right there. Stove, convection microwave oven, nice big sink with sink covers. Yes, solar on board, so you get that 200 watt solar I was saying up there. Cool looking 2-tone wood. You can see that that's lighter. This is a little darker, but looks really slick. You have a little extra spot right there for if you're having tacos. You know, you're gonna need that little buffet going on. That goes there. Recliners. And then, okay, I'm gonna show you all this storage in this little guy, and this is what makes this guy unique, okay? All that's the storage, all that is storage, and all that is storage. I mean, you just can't beat this thing for storage. Each side of the TV is storage. JBL audio, like I say. Dinette, storage under there, storage under there, storage under the sink, AC on the roof. And the reason it was 50 amp service is because this is prepped for air also. Then you have hanging storage in the bedroom on each side. Huge shelf up here. Spot for your CPAP or whatever you might need to put on each side of the bed right there. My wife always had jelly beans, so this would probably be her jelly bean drawer. Storage under the bed. Usable storage. Look, it even got a spot. If you got a dog, look at that perfect spot for him to sleep underneath there. Just put a little deal for him to sleep on, a little cushion. TV comes with. 2 TVs come with it. One's here in the bedroom, and it's on a swivel, so you can pull it out. Sliding door in the bedroom. I mean, this camper has it all for a small size. This is for your air conditioner. This can turn, close, So if during the day you don't need air conditioner in your room, so you close the door, close that, then all the air stays out here. I'm going to show you the bathroom. I know I sound like I'm rushing, but there's a whole lot and I don't want to make a 25-minute video. Porcelain toilet. Again, the two-tone wood looks awesome. Tub surround shower. Skylight. Nice big medicine cabinet. Fan up there. Okay, let's look at all this storage. Look at this. Look at that storage. Ding, 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 ding. Right? Turn around. And you got all this storage. This one's nice and deep. You got 3 drawers over here. And then also a big pantry. I mean, you can't say, I don't have enough storage, because this one has it. And the recliners is the best deal. Look at that. I'm going to sit on one. You come out here, sit on the other one, chill out right here, watch the TV. I like this. Come out, check it out. Thanks.